Sellers are in control as the macro backdrop turns more challenging. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into Brent Crude. Brent Crude plunged to $83.74 per barrel, a move of minus 7.08% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $81.85 and $84.65. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. This comes as oil prices seen gaining as Middle East supply disruptions persist, Reuters poll, adding pressure to energy markets. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as oil prices seen gaining as Middle East supply disruptions persist, Reuters poll, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ futures edge higher ahead of Fed decision, chip stocks wobble, WTVB. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. This comes as oil prices seen gaining as Middle East supply disruptions persist, Reuters poll, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, WTI crude plunged minus 5.89% to $79.68 in a significant session. This comes as oil prices seen gaining as Middle East supply disruptions persist, Reuters poll, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, natural gas is trading higher by plus 0.91% at $2.77. This comes as oil prices seen gaining as Middle East supply disruptions persist, Reuters poll, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, gold is up plus 1.59%, trading at $4,113.30. The gold move is partly driven by why war hurt gold at first and why the safe haven trade is back, investing.com. Coming back to Brent Crude. Bears are firmly in control of the near-term narrative. Watch for key support levels. A break below could accelerate the decline. Risk management is critical in this environment. Here is our near-term analytical view on Brent Crude. The technical picture for Brent Crude has deteriorated. The $78.72 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on OPEC Plus output decisions and US inventory data. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on Brent Crude. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.